Good day, good afternoon, good evening. This is Roger Chowdhury, signing in with the BFN, the Business Financial Network. Hope you guys are having an unbelievable trading day. Today, what happened in the market was really intriguing. News affects the market. So when a person like Donald Trump goes out and does what he did today, you got to ask yourself a question: how is that going to affect the markets? This picture behind me, for some of you that know me, some of you guys that don't know me, this event happened behind me. And the one thing that I always ask myself, what's the purpose of showing this type of story? But again, I'm going to leave religion, politics to the viewers, but I always like to be curiously engaged. Today, the markets were affected by this news, I believe. Futures are still up, it seems, but marginally up. And when this type of volatility occurs, there's emerging issuers that pop out to be opportunities that traders can take. And today, there's one that we really like to focus on, and that's XAU, trading on the TSX Venture. So I want to talk to you guys a bit about what's going on with this company, specifically the most recent news that popped out. So Goldmoney Inc. reports record revenue and net income for second quarter of 2021. Record quarterly revenue of $243.6 million and an increase of 40% quarter over quarter and an increase of 92% year over year. Gross profit of $10.4 million and an increase of 85% year over year. Record quarterly net income of $7.5 million and an increase of 24% quarter over quarter and a 612% year over year. Goldmoney.com group client assets increased 13% quarter over quarter to a new company record of $2.59 billion as of September 30th, 2020. Goldmoney reported a 30% increase in revenue and a 190% increase in gross margin and a 131% increase in operating income year over year. Schiffel Gold continued to generate strong growth with a 273% increase in revenue, a 290% increase in gross margin, and a 589% increase in operating income. Bottom line, guys, this company is set up. The assets that are within the company, they're just doing so well. Another one of their assets, TSX Venture, MENE, reported a $1 million, 40% year over year increase in revenue and a $0.3 million, 53% increase in gross profit during its quarter ending in June 30th, 2020. Corporate metal position consisting of coins, bullion, and bullion denominated loan increased by $7.6 million or 20% quarter over quarter to $46.5 million as of September 30th, 2020, a new company record. Like, the bottom line is guys, is Goldmoney has money. Let's get into more of the technical analysis. Well, as you can see here, today, Goldmoney had a really interesting day. We sat back and we looked at this stock before the day. Lucky to, we want to congratulate all the members that are part of our private live trading chat group. They were able to position themselves early in the morning in this security. So again, congratulations to all of them. And we want to talk to you guys a bit about what our analysis came. So as you can see here, at 317, we identified support, that previous support, that this support occurred here, the support occurred here, and consolidation around support occurred here, and then that same support transitioned into resistance here and here. And we find ourselves now looking at this chart and asking ourselves, okay, so this 317, 320 mark seems pretty imperative here. Now let's look at this intraday. Now when you sit down and you really look at this stock and you see that this 317, it basically hit twice off this same band, 2 more other times, right here and right here. And again, it tested it 1 more time and eventually broke through that resistance point and closed. And we're of the mind here, the minute that it broke 317. So as you guys can see here, we've determined that when we watch this 320 for it to break and hold with increased volume, you are now riding to a midline, a mid resistance point of 388. And according to the National Inflation Association that first alerted us about this, they're saying that there's a resistance at 430. Now, if this stock gets past this 320 with volume, it gets past this 388, and it busts through this 430, this around 508 can get parabolic. And then you're off to the races. So, with, more intent analysis, we sat back, and as a trading club, we realized that this had momentum early in the day. We got in, we positioned ourselves. Tomorrow we were looking for this volume to come in and really support this buy-in. And ladies and gentlemen, again, I just want to tell you guys, we here at BFN are not financial advisors. We're here to entertain, educate, and empower people to gain and build trading confidence. And last but not least, we're here to make finance simple and trading easy.